Today's workshop is really aimed at helping companies in Singapore be able to more effectively manage policies in their organization, to take it from a state of disarray with a lot of different organizations doing it in piecemeal with no structured approach and process, to a more structured policy management by design focus in the organization to make policy management efficient, effective, and agile.
The challenges that the attendees have highlighted is very similar to across the world, basically, in terms of policies and the implementation of those policies are still very manual, very paper-based. Information is scattered all over the place within an organisation.
Today's world is becoming increasingly complex. We have a plethora of regulations that are increasingly cross-border, and it's difficult to be able to distill the key principles to people on the ground in a way that they can understand and then execute in a meaningful way.
I think the biggest challenges that organizations today face when it comes to policy management is doing too much. New regulations come out every day, and we usually respond in a reactionary manner. It's about time we took the reins back and managed them more proactively and set the groundwork out so we know exactly what we're dealing with instead of what we're responding to.